Hi Queens, this video is showing how to gel down your edges. So I want to show you guys how to disguise or hide those places where it's thinning or you just absolutely have no hair. Now I have what they call as cowlicks, and I've been like that all of my life. So there's no hair really where that arrow is, but you can disguise it with the surrounding hair and cover that with gel so it looks like you have edges there. And you see this picture, it shows just that in this protective style that I had. So you can disguise your thin spots, or actually where there's no hair and you have a little bit of hair, you can actually disguise that to make it look like that you have hair there. So she is using a double-sided edge control brush to apply the gel, and she simply is just using her fingers and smoothing it down with the brush side, and then she takes the comb side and just makes a straight line right in. So you can see as a brush down, flip it, and then go ahead and make your straight line. Once you finish that, you just go to the other side and do the same thing. So you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and please leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Be blessed, Queens.